Did you know that the science of attraction can be explained using simple biological and psychological concepts? Think about your last crush. What drew you to them? Was it their smile, the way they laughed, or perhaps something more? In today's video, we dive deep into the science of attraction. What draws us to our partners? Understanding attraction is not just about romance. It reveals a lot about human behavior and relationships. Let's look closer at why we feel drawn to certain people and what creates that spark. First, let's discuss physical attraction. We often hear that looks don't matter, but research suggests otherwise. Studies show that people are initially drawn to physical features. Symmetry plays a huge role in this. Symmetrical faces are often perceived as more attractive. However, it goes beyond looks. Our senses play a big part in attraction. For example, scent can be a huge factor. We all have unique body odors influenced by genetics. People can subconsciously sense these odors. Some scents can trigger attraction based on immune system compatibility. Next up is personality. While looks can lure someone in, personality keeps them interested. Traits like kindness, humor, and confidence are universally appealing. Have you ever met someone you thought was attractive but then found them unappealing after a bad interaction? That's the power of personality at work. Stories and shared experiences also enhance attraction. Think about how we bond with friends over shared interests. The same applies to romantic relationships. Mutual hobbies and experiences create a deeper connection. Now, let's move to the role of emotions. Our emotions significantly impact who we are drawn to. When we feel happy or excited, we often look for people to share those feelings with. Conversely, when we're sad, we can also seek comfort in others. Have you ever noticed how some couples seem to mirror each other's moods? This phenomenon is real. It's known as emotional synchrony. When you and your partner share similar emotions, it can strengthen the bond between you two. Next, let's talk about proximity. Interestingly, the people we meet frequently become more attractive to us. This is often called the mere exposure effect. The more we see someone, the more we tend to like them. Think about your school or workplace. How many of us end up dating someone close by? It's all about accessibility. Now, we can't forget about social validation. People often look to their friends or society to gauge attraction. If your friends like someone, you may be more likely to see them as attractive too. This shows how opinions and social cues can impact our feelings. Finally, let's touch on the concept of shared values and goals. People are usually drawn to others who have similar beliefs and life aspirations. This helps create a strong sense of understanding and connection. Imagine dating someone who shares your passion for environmentalism or love for travel. It can deepen the relationship significantly. So, what can we take away from all this? Attraction is complex, involving physical cues, personality traits, emotional connections, proximity, social influence, and shared values. It's not just about one thing. It's the combination that creates that special spark between two people. If you found this exploration of attraction fascinating, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what attracts you to your partner. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding attraction is the first step to building lasting relationships.